mind and behavior. It seeks to understand how individuals think, feel, and act through observation, experimentation, and analysis. The field addresses questions about emotions, thoughts, memory, learning, personality, and social interactions, providing insights that apply to everyday life and professional practices. Type psychology. Psychology has several branches, each focusing on different aspects of human behavior and mental processes. 1. Clinical psychology focuses on diagnosing and treating mental health disorders. 2. Cognitive psychology studies mental processes like perception, memory, and decision-making. 3. Developmental psychology examines how people grow and change across their lifespan. 4. Social psychology explores how individuals are influenced by social interactions and societal factors. 5. Educational psychology investigates how people learn and how to improve teaching methods. 6. Industrial organizational psychology applies psychological principles to workplace settings for productivity and well-being. 7. Health psychology studies the connection between mental and physical health. 8. Forensic psychology applies psychology to legal and criminal justice systems. Each type has unique applications, making psychology versatile and impactful in addressing individual and societal needs.